Yeah, over the past decade and looking forward, we've seen basically a leveling off the number of students looking to go to college. It'll peak a little bit in the mid-2020s and then it'll decline substantially. We've seen about 40% of those students will go on to four-year schools, and that's been relatively constant. So the pool, relatively flat. We're certainly seeing a difference in the diversity of those students. So fewer white students, more students of color, and that's a big change. And for agricultural schools, we've seen a change in terms of fewer students coming from farm and rural backgrounds and more students coming from urban backgrounds, suburbans and small towns. And so those things do affect how we approach recruiting. How do we help get the message about opportunities in food and agriculture to students that don't have that particular background? How do you make a food and agriculture career more appealing and the place more welcoming to a student of color that perhaps hasn't been a traditional source of or focus for their career prep? And the other change, of course, is more young women coming into programs. So about 60% of our students would be female now. And that's another change in terms of helping them then also move through our programs and successfully and move on to careers.